Has someone helped you and they make you feel like you have to give them your kidney, or you have to do a blood transfusion because they helped you? Hey guys, what's up? It's Chidi here. How is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you've been rocking this boat with me, and if you are new, if this is your first time here, welcome. Where have you been? Like,
where have you been all my life?
Okay, so my channel is basically about me creating this safe space where I can be myself and you can be yourself. Like, I mean, there is no fun in us, having same ideas, same opinions and everything. So guys, I gladly welcome those different opinions. Okay, so this is where I say what I want to say, how I want to say it, okay, how I saw it, how I see it, and you say yours. Okay, you don't have to agree with everything I say here, and guess what, I don't also agree with everything you have to say. And guys, that is the fun of it. And if we agree on things, then we agree. If we disagree, then we beautifully, amicably disagree. Okay, so like, there is no fun in having same opinions and everything. Okay, and those that think that if they say things that I must agree with them, oh, what will I say to you now? I think you'll be fine. Okay, grace will find you. Okay, you'll be fine. All right guys, so yeah, in today's video, okay, I've been struggling like with the title. Okay, I'm thinking about like the things I've learned the hard way, and I'm also like thinking about like randoms I've learned the hard way in life, or things life lessons, or guys, like they kind of like fall into those topics, but I don't know the exact one I'm gonna use for this video. But I think by now you should have known the one I used because you're watching this. So yeah, these things are things that some of them life has taught me, some of them I have come to know them, some of them I'm still struggling to accept them. Guys, they're just stuff that I have experienced and I have seen others experience, and I just wanted to share. Okay, first one is, because you're a good person doesn't mean that people would necessarily be good to you, like they will reciprocate that energy. Guys, if you are that person that is always thinking like this, and there is nothing wrong with thinking this way, all right, but guys, I am sorry to disappoint you that it does not always work like that. Okay, because you are a good person doesn't mean that people will be good to you, or like that person that you are good to will be good to you, like they will reciprocate that energy. It does not always work that way. Some people are just so messed up that no matter how good you are to them, like, because you can't give what you don't have. So if there's no good in here, where will the good come out from? All right, so because they don't have it in here, it won't come out. Guys, do not expect that from everybody that you are good to. Okay, and remember that the Bible said that you will reap what you sow. The Bible did not say that you will reap where you sow. So just keep being good with wisdom. Yeah, okay, just keep being good, keep doing good, and guys, somebody out there will reciprocate. God is not a wicked God. All right, so you just keep doing what you're doing and you will reap what you sow, not where you sow. Copy? So the next one, guys, is practice your love language on yourself. Okay, like we live in a world where we wait for people like to come into our lives and treat us nice and all of that. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, there's nothing wrong with, okay, like if you have loved ones or whatever and you want them to, like to be good to you, or like to shower you with gifts and all those good stuff. Okay, but guys, don't wait till that time. Okay, practice your love language on yourself. All right, if yours is words of affirmation, guys, like say those words to yourself. Okay, like say those positive words to yourself. If yours is gifts or what, guys, I'm not saying that you should go there and start spending all your money, okay, in everything. Like, I mean, wisdom is profitable to direct, okay, but like go out once in a while, like take yourself out, buy things for yourself. Guys, be happy, okay? Don't wait till somebody, you know, comes into your life to, you know, make you happy, or to say those good words and positive words to you, or to buy those things for you. Or like, guys, practice your love language on yourself. And by doing so, okay, when somebody comes into your life and you see that they don't do it the way that you want it to be done, guys, you are going to know. Okay, if somebody is not treating you right, you are going to know, because you have been treating yourself right, and you know what you deserve, and you know how you should be treated. Okay, it's just like this in people loving you and say that, oh, they love you. I feel like you can't love me and I don't feel it. Like, yo, I'm supposed to feel this love. Okay, so if you can't love me and I don't feel loved, you can't love me the way you want to love me. You have to love me the way I want to be loved. Okay, and because I know how I should be loved, because I know how God loves me, and I love myself, and I know how I should be loved. So you can't love me the way you want to love me. You will love me the way that I will feel loved. And if you're not doing that, then you don't love me. Like, then I can't be with you. Like, then this thing will not work. But if you don't love yourself, if you don't know how you should be treated and how you should be loved, somebody can just listen, walk into your life and give you their own version of love, basically, and say that they love you, they do this, they do that, and like, you accept it because you don't even know how you should be loved and how you should be treated. But guys, if you practice all these things on yourself first, okay, when somebody walks into your life, if they're not doing it the right way, you will know that this is not right, because you already know this, because you have been practicing this on yourself. Okay, the next one, guys, is sow seeds of mercy. Guys, I can't even say this enough. Okay, sow seeds of mercy, guys. You know, invest in people. You cannot do everything on your own in this life. You cannot achieve everything by your strength, by your power in this life. Okay, be good to people, be kind to people. There are seeds of mercy that your parents sowed in people's lives that you are reaping today. Any seed of mercy you sow today in people's life, you might not reap it now, you will reap it later in life. And there are some opportunities that will come out later in life for you, some doors that will open because of, you know, how good and how kind that you were to people in time past. Okay, don't think that because, oh, you are in this high place today, so you don't need to be good to people or to be kind to people. Okay, and all of that. Okay, guys, you don't know what will happen tomorrow. Like, tomorrow is not promised. Okay, so sow seeds of mercy in people's lives. When you see someone in need, you help. When you are in a position like to support and help people, guys, go ahead and do it. Okay, you will reap it tomorrow, or your children will even reap it tomorrow. Okay, invest in people, because God blesses us through people. Every time we pray, oh, God bless us, God do this, God do that, God uses people to bless you. Okay, so like, guys, be good to people, be kind to people. Don't think that because you are here now that you don't need anyone in your life or whatever because you're comfortable. Sow seeds of mercy in people's lives. Like, guys, I cannot stress this enough. Okay, be merciful to people so that you too, you will obtain mercy. Okay, next one, guys, is learn to rest in God's love. Okay, guys, this is so important. Okay, with the worries of life, with everything that is going on in life now, guys, just learn to just leave it at Jesus' feet. Like, learn to rest in God's love. Like, learn to, you know, think about his goodness, think about his faithfulness in your life, and instead of really focusing on those negatives and those things that are not happening, okay, just try to think about the positives, about the things that are working, about the things that he has done, and just learn to rest in his love. He loves you, and guess what? God can never mismanage your life. He is a responsible father. If our parents can give good gifts, how much more God? Like, if our earthly parents can be responsible and, you know, give us good gifts, how much more God? So guys, learn to rest in God's love. Like, just learn to just give it all to him and just rest in God's love. The next one, guys, is humans are fickle. Don't believe everything you hear out there, guys. There are different opinions going on out there. People edit their lives, and you have the right, absolutely, you have the right to edit your life, to crop it, to expand it, to whatever you want to do. Okay, so don't believe everything you hear out there. Guys, a lot of twisted things going on out there, so just don't believe everything you hear out there, because not all that glitter is gold, which we all know. Like, it's a common saying, but we all know that. Okay, so guys, don't believe everything you hear out there. Just don't. People are fickle. Okay, they say one today, tomorrow they're saying something else. They do this today, tomorrow just don't. Okay, they will stress your life out. Human beings, they will stress your life out. Don't believe everything you hear out there. All right, the next one, guys, is use the block button as often as necessary. You know, because I have this platform and my Instagram handle is available to everyone, because, you know, if you want to hit me up, or my email is available to everyone, because I put it up because, you know, it's a means of you reaching me, my handle and all of that. Some people think that they can come there and say stuff to me. You know, I accept constructive criticism, okay, but you can't just come to my page and be disrespectful. Guys, I block.
Ergens maar blok. عارفة يا بلوك على الفيسبوك، بلوك على الواتساب، بلوك تليفونات، بلوك انستجرام، بلوك عارفة بلوك.
Okay, don't let people come into your life and just be disrespectful. Like, you can't do that. Like, you cannot do that. Okay, guys, use the block button as often as necessary. Block them. Anybody that is disturbing your peace, disturbing your mental health, disturbing whatever, block. Block. As I said, I welcome your opinion, but I don't have to accept it. That is the difference. Okay, like, you cannot come to my page and be disrespectful. I will block you. Be blocked and be blessed. Bye. It's as easy as that. The next one is love. Guys, no matter what you experience in life, no matter what you have experienced, no matter what you are going to experience, no matter what you are experiencing, guys, love. Love. Guys, open your heart and love. But as I always say, wisdom is profitable to direct. Okay, but guys, love. All right, I want to live this life knowing that I loved and I was loved. Like, not half-baked love, like love. Guys, love is a beautiful thing. Like, I love love. Like, if you know me personally, you will know that I love love. And please, love. Okay, don't let anyone steal that from you. Okay, no matter what anyone has done to you, always know that it is not love that hurt you, it is that person that hurt you. Okay, so the right person will love you the right way, because love on its own is not a bad thing. It is people that don't know how to love that cause pain and hurt. Okay, so guys, love. The next one, guys, is life can be unfair. Okay, so when things happen to you, okay, like in life, don't try to ask yourself, why me, why me, why me, and all of that. I know that is like the natural thing to do when things happen. We try to, like, you know, ask ourselves, like, why is this happening to me? Why am I the only one that this is happening to, and all of that. Life can be unfair, okay, and that is just how it is, okay, and we just have to depend on God and know that He's going to see us through. When things happen to us, just try to move on, okay, because that is just how it is. Like, that is just how it is. Life is unfair. A lot of things that happen to us, I think we will say that we don't deserve it, or and stuff like that, but they just happen, okay. So guys, when things happen, just try to deal with it and move on, okay. Next one, guys, is work hard and make money. People, I cannot stress this one enough. Guys, work hard and make money. Has anyone embarrassed you before because of money? No? Oh, I have been. So guys, work hard and make money. Has someone helped you and make you feel like you have to give them your kidney, or you have to do a blood transfusion because they helped you? See, work hard so that money issues no go shame you, so that human beings no go shame you. You know, when people do things for you, like, naturally, like, you are grateful and all of that, but guys, there is that line, there is that thin line between you being grateful for what someone has done for you and someone expecting you to kick yourself, give them your blood, your vital organs. You know, the next thing you will hear, they will say you are entitled, you don't appreciate, you don't, like, what do you want me to do? People make you feel like you shouldn't have even accepted anything from them. Has anyone ever made you feel like that? Guys, in this life, work hard and make money. Oh God, money is important in this life. I'm not saying everyone is like that, okay, but guys, I have come across people that they do things for you. It's like they want to even program how you will talk, how you will act. Someone once said that there's love in sharing, but there's peace in having your own. People, work hard and make money. And the last one, guys, is problem no they finish. Issues of life no they finish, so they try to they enjoy. For those that don't understand, what I'm saying is that things will always come up in life, okay? If you think you have a problem now and you want to solve it and you get it solved, guys, next time, maybe next week or next month, something else will come up again, and you will try to fix that. Next month, next year, something else will come up again and you will try to fix that. So what am I saying? Try to enjoy yourself. I am not saying also that any money that you are working for, you squander it or anything. No, but what I'm saying is that problem no they finish, okay? Do not tell yourself that I will enjoy when I make this money, I will relax, I will be happy when I make this money, I will be happy when I do this. Guys, try to be happy, try to enjoy yourself, try to spoil yourself, because problem, you know, they finish. As long as you are alive, you are going to have life issues. Basically, like, things are going to happen that you did not plan for, okay? Because guess what, God did not even promise us a trouble-free life. He only assured us that whenever we are going through those things, that He's going to be there with us. As long as you are alive, you're going to go through things. So in this life, problem no they finish. Try to enjoy yourself when you can, okay? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is all I came to say here today. Okay, and if you have things that you want us to know about, or yeah, just leave them in the comment section. And if you have anything to say about this video, you know, or to add or to disagree on, or guys, I am welcome to anything as long as you are being respectful about it. I am fine. Just leave them in the comment section down below. Okay, yeah, if you have any video idea that you want me to do, also let me know. All right, you can hit me over my email, my DM, they are all in the description area down below. Please give this video a thumbs up, please like, please comment, subscribe, stay notified. Okay, and yeah guys, I will see you in my next one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying till now, and be safe, be good, and let's keep learning together. Thank you so much. Bye guys, I will see you in my next one.